also played the Poconos as well as the Catskills. So I would have a routine set up for the Jewish hotels, and then I would cross over into the Poconos and put in all my Italian arias, you know, and change the flavor of it. And I would never do Yiddish in a non-Jewish place. And you know, it's a funny thing, but as the years went by, the audiences would change, and they didn't get snooty, but they really didn't want to hear the Jewish songs. It was something that changed in the culture. Hebrew was in. Havenu shalom alechem. You know, and I did Sisu et Yerushalayim giluva kolohoveh. You know, that kind of thing. I did a lot of Hebrew stuff, but gradually, I very rarely did the Yiddish anymore. But I would look in the audience before the show, and I would it depended on the place, because if it was the Unity House or one of these garment workers union places that was up in the Poconos, I would think, okay, when was I here last? Which opening number did I do? And I would just rearrange. I had alternate opening numbers, and if it was a place that was welcoming to Jews, I would sing. I had an opening number, Shalom, shalom, you'll find shalom, the nicest greeting you know. It means bonjour, salute, and skull, and twice as much as hello. It means a million lovely things, like peace be yours, welcome home. And even when you say goodbye with shalom, and the tempo used to pick up. So I was doing the Yiddish flavor, but I wasn't singing Yiddish.